Welcome back to the Oreo cookie tutorial. If you haven't seen part 1, the link will be down in the description. But that tutorial was just the walkthrough / fundamentals of Blender. Now, we're on to the fun part of the tutorial. Modeling and texturing the biscuit. Delete the default cube. Then press Shift A. Hover or click Mesh. Then add a plane. Go to the left panel, then press Modifier Properties.
Add subdivision and subdivide the plane levels by 4, then press Shift D to duplicate the subdivision settings. Now apply the subdivisions by pressing that little arrow and a drop-down will appear. Now add a displace modifier. Click the Add New Texture button. Then press the fourth icon beside the new texture. Click the Open File button and select the Oreo file that you've previously downloaded.
Press SZ to scale the Oreo template. Now go to Edit Mode, shortcut is Tab. Then extrude the cookie, shortcut is E to lengthen the mesh.
Now duplicate the Oreo cookie by pressing Shift D. Add a cylinder. Then press SC for the cream filling inside the Oreo.
Press H to hide the cookies. Then hop on to Edit Mode. Press Ctrl R to add loop cuts. Then click that menu at the bottom left of your screen called Loop Cuts and slide and increase smoothness to make the filling look compressed.